I'm sure that you've seen a lot of faceless videos on YouTube. And if you click on some of those channels, head over to Social Blade, you can see some ridiculous money that these channels are making. And in this video, I'm going to share with you an AI tool that is changing the game right now, that you can use right now to create faceless videos within minutes with only just a thought. All you have to do with just a simple prompt, type what you'd like this video to be about, and just simply sit back, and within minutes, your entire video is created. And guys, I'm not talking about Pictory AI, I'm not talking about Midjourney. This new AI tool is a game changer, hands down, no doubt. Because in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to register for this website and how to use the tool to generate some really amazing videos within minutes. And guys, before we go any further, if you're new to this channel, welcome, I'm Andrew. And if you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. Now let me share this secret website with you. The new AI tool that I want to share with you is invideo AI. I'm sure some of you have heard about invideo AI, right? Which offers a free and a paid version where you can easily make some really nice videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even long-form content for YouTube. On top of that, invideo has a really good AI tool that allows you to write what you'd like this video to be about, and it will generate really nice video for you. Now let's jump to my computer screen so that I can show you what this AI tool is and how you can leverage it. Alright guys, so what you want to do, open up any browser that you may have. In this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, right? And all you want to do is type invideo AI, right? Simply hit enter. You'll be taken to a web page just like this one, and somewhere there you will notice invideo AI. You just want to go ahead and click that, and you'll be taken over to invideo AI web page. Now, if you have a Gmail account, you can simply join with your Gmail account. I'll be using this for this example. And if you're logging in for the first time, you'll be asked a few questions. Very easy question. How do you hear about invideo AI? What you'll be using it for, etc., etc. Very straightforward. You just need to go through that, and you'll be taken to a page right here where you can put in your prompt. For the sake of this video, and we want to make money online, I'm gonna stick with the AI niche, because you know that right now AI is booming, and there's so many different AI tools popping up here and there, and there's a lot of affiliate programs and tools that you can promote to make a lot of money online. So for this example, I'm gonna just give this tool a very interesting idea to make a video for me so that we can use. And here you have it, guys. I've asked it 5 interesting facts about AI, how AI is changing the world right now, and how AI can change your life. Now I'm gonna just simply hit the generate button, and this is gonna do its thing. It's gonna analyze what I've asked it, come up with an interesting topic or title for the video, generate the script for the video, and create the video. And on top of that, it's gonna add a very human-like voiceover for my video. When all of this tied together, guys, you're gonna see the amazing job that this tool can do, and know you'll understand why it's changing the game right now. Now on my screen, guys, you see it's asking me a few more things. It would like to know my audience, the look and feel, and the platform. For the platform, I'll leave it as YouTube. And for the look and feel, I would like it to be as inspiring, and I would like it to be for, let's say, lifestyle audience. Something like that. Let's see if we like that. And click continue. And this is going to take a moment to generate my video. Now guys, if you're a video editor like myself, then you know how long it can take to make a video. Or if you don't know how to make videos any at all, and you're using, for example, a platform like Fiverr or Upwork and pay for a video to be made, you realize that it can take a few days, right, to make this video. But with this AI tool, it's taking minutes, and you have full control and easy to use platform that you can use to make very amazing video within minutes. And you can make 10 or 20 videos per day, depending on how much time you have in your hand. But if you make some really good videos, guys, you can easily blow up on YouTube within days and get your channel monetized and start making money with affiliate programs and products, and you don't need to worry about having your channel reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start making money online. That's so fascinating, right? Now guys, look how easy it is. Now my video is finished generating, and I'm going to play this video so that you can see the amazing job what that tool does. Let's play it.
Can you imagine a world where machines learn, adapt, and possibly even think? Welcome to the present, where artificial In the next 7 minutes, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of AI. Buckle up, because this journey promises to be as enlightening as it is intriguing.
Guys, it's really good, right? I know you're wondering, wow, because no, you're thinking about this voiceover is very cool, right? And trust me, I've tested 11 Labs and Murph AI, and I think this tool, AI all-in-one package, is amazing. It's very good. Now I'm going to walk you through step by step of some additional things that you can do with this AI tool. If you don't like the video any at all, guys, you can easily click regenerate and it will generate a brand new video for you with brand new titles, brand new idea, right? Now, if you just want to make some minor changes to it, you can click the edit button here and you can edit your media or your script. So if you click edit media right here, you can basically choose any one of the video clips that you would like. Let me choose one, for example, and just type something in. So let me just type AI for the sake of this tutorial, and you will see all the video clips that is generated, right? And you can simply click on one of them. It will say replace and then click apply. And within seconds, this new clip will replace the old clip. So, and that's how easy it is. Now, if you'd like to modify the script, you do the same. Click edit script and you can see the entire script that is written for the video. And if you'd like to add more to the script or make some minor changes, you can easily do that. Now, on the left side right here, you will notice that there is a text icon and there is a video icon. This basically means that you can add the caption for the video as for the text, and this is for the video. So if I add something within this, so if I want to add something, let me just simply add a text right here by clicking this plus button. And now you see that I've right. Let's get into these interesting facts about AI. And all I have to do, in the left hand side, you realize that the text and the video icon is grayed out. It's because I haven't given any keyword. So I'm gonna just click on it and give it a keyword. And I'm just gonna write AI facts, something like that, and hit done. Then I'm gonna click apply changes. And this is gonna generate the script that I've added with new video clips to match that. So now guys, once you're finished, let's say you're satisfied. All you have to do is go ahead and hit the export button right here, select export video, and you'll be taken here and you can choose how you want your video to be downloaded. Now you have option as 480p, 720p, 1080p, and also they have 4K coming soon, right? Now you notice these crowns here. It simply means that if you would like to download the video without the watermark, and also if you would like to download it with your branding, you simply need to have one of the paid subscription from invideo, right? But if you don't want to pay for it, you can simply choose normal and leave it with the watermark and then hit the continue. Now once you do this, you'll be taken to this page where it will render the video for you. You just need to give it some time. Once it's done, you will see a download button right here that you can simply click on to download the button. And that's all there is to it. So now that you have your video, you can just simply head over to your brand new YouTube channel, upload the video, come up with a nice video title and thumbnail for your video, write a nice little description, add your affiliate links to your products or the affiliate programs that you're trying to promote. Additionally, you can pin this to your comments of your videos, and once your videos start to get attraction, start to get lots of views, you can potentially make a lot of money from clients and customers who are interested within these products or services. Now guys, what are you waiting for? Here you have a very great idea of how you can make money easily with YouTube. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers and you don't have to have 4,000 watch hours to start making money. You can start making money today with this brand new strategy that I'm showing you using the power of invideo AI. And that's how easy it is you can make money online with YouTube right now. No guys, I really hope you found some value within this video. And if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments below that I subscribe so that I can know that you found some value within this video and so that I can create more valuable content just like this one for you. With that said, see you next time for another money making ideas and how you can make money online. See you next time.